Hey guys, it's your girl Ann and I'm back today with another video. If you are new or watching for the first time or a new subscriber to Glam Designs by Ann, welcome. It's nice to have you. Comment down below and let me know who you are. Leave a message, say something cute, introduce yourself. Anyways guys, it's been a while, but I'm back today with another video and I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that I did to create and achieve this beautiful fall dining room table look for 2022. Yes guys, 2022. So if you're interested in knowing how I achieved this look, I would love for you guys to keep watching. So first things first guys, you know I always let you know that when it comes to my videos, I love to shop my home and I love to reuse, repurpose, recycle, spray paint, whatever the case may be when it comes to creating footage to share with you guys, because I want to share budget-friendly ways to achieve different looks in your space, seasonal looks that don't break the bank, and you can still get a beautiful fall dining room table look on a budget by reusing a lot of the items that you already have. So like I said, I've shopped my home and I've used the same black dinner plates that you guys have seen me use many times. I went ahead and I DIY'd this cute little plate. It was in a sort of autumn wine, I would say red sort of shade. I did a Valentine's islandscape with them. So if you guys missed it and you want to see, actually I didn't spray paint back, so this is what it looks like. And I spray painted it gold. I didn't want to spray paint the back because we do use these plates and I don't know if the spray paint is safe, but yeah. So I spray painted those gold by using I think it's the Rust-Oleum gold that I got from Walmart, and the gold charges are from Amazon, so are the mattes. These are some new finds that I recently got from Amazon. These beautiful flatware set. This is what the spoons look like. I love the handle. They're very lightweight, very pretty. I love them. They weren't that expensive, but it just elevates the table and gives it a different look from the regular or standard type of shape of other flatware. And then I reused the beautiful sort of earthy tone, gold tone, brown tone glasses that I got from Marshall's maybe 2 years ago. The napkin, I mixed it with a gold napkin and I put them together, and I used this cute pearl and gold napkin ring to help bring in a little bit of a sort of like a pearly creamy white tone to help soften up all of the gold and the black. I love how my tablescape turned out, and I kept my centerpiece really simple, really inexpensive. So I'm gonna share what I did to create that look in the middle. First of all, the dining room table and chairs came from Wayfair. I did an unboxing 2 years ago when I purchased it, so I will link that video in the description box down below as well, or in an iCard on the screen. So for my centerpiece, guys, not my coffee table, I actually spray painted this gold. It was in a silver, gray, black, gold sort of texture and tone, and I just ended up spray painting it gold. For fall this year, I just wanted to create some warmth, and because I decorate with so much silver and black and white, I wanted to warm my space up and sort of complement my kitchen, because my kitchen counter and backsplash has a lot of gold and earthy tones in it. So I wanted to complement the kitchen and create some warmth, and it feels so warm and cozy in here, guys. Just bringing in some of the gold and mixing it with the black and the creamy pearly tones. It creates a really nice soft, warm, cozy vibe for fall this year. Anyways guys, bowl fillers are amazing because you can place them anywhere in your home throughout the year for different seasons. So these ones I got from Amazon, and what I did, I just took some leaves off of 2 stems that I got from Michael's, I think 2 years back. I just picked them off because they're easy to come off and you can place them back on. And to bring in some of that sort of burnt brown orangey tones, really subtle tones that I think complements my black and gold really nicely, and some of the silvers that I have here in the dining room, I added those to it. And if I choose to, closer to the fall season, I can add a few pumpkins in the same shades that you see here. I can DIY a few pumpkins from the dollar store and add them. But for this year, I don't want to do a lot of pumpkins, but I do want to introduce those warm fall tones just to create that fall vibe. You don't necessarily have to use a lot of pumpkins. So the bowl filler, these ones I got from Amazon. And I will link that in the description box down below if you're interested. So yeah, that is my centerpiece, guys, and I love how it turned out. I really captured and brought in the fall vibe that I was going for. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So guys, for my credenza, I kept the same lamps that I usually have here all year round, the same vase that I thrifted and spray painted black from Value Village. I just added a few black candles that I got from the dollar store, and I reused and repurposed and brought back these beautiful black and gold candlesticks that I got from Amazon over the summer, or yeah, I think over the summer, late spring. And then for my vase centerpiece, guys, this is a pumpkin. It's glass. It's really pretty. I think I purchased this 2 years ago from HomeSense. It has like creamy gold tones, and I think it complements and looks really well with, you know, all of my gold and black, and it just softens up with the creamy tones that it has in it. So for my vase, I used some black pampas grass that I got from Amazon. I've been admiring pampas grass for like a really long time, and I decided to try out some pampas grass. I started off with some white ones that I shared in a video a while back as a tablescape, and then I went ahead and I purchased the same brand from the same seller, and there's no shedding. You can kind of fluff them out and make it a little bit fuller if you like. They're sort of like adjustable in that way. And then the same leaves that you see in my vase filler on my dining room table as my centerpiece, I did the same thing here by taking some of the leaves and bringing in some of that burnt orange along with these picks that I got from Michael's a while back. I think I used these before I moved last year fall in the kitchen area for my hot beverage station. And then I added these dandelions, I think they're called. I purchased these maybe a year or two ago from Amazon, and I think the combination of the pampas grass and everything else looks really nice, and it captures that little fall vibe. I didn't want to do too much orange, but I love this orange because it's like a burnt orange, and it goes well with the leaves, and it just brings in a subtle pop of color for the fall. And I repeated the same thing with the second set of candlesticks that I purchased, and some black candles from the dollar store. So guys, for the artwork on the wall, these are the two canvases I made, and I think when I DIY'd them, I put them in my bedroom originally to the right of the bed as you walk into the room. I decided to bring them down here to bring in just a tad bit of white into the space to soften up all of the black and, you know, the gold tones. And then I just simply took a small brush and just created some strokes using some gold chalk paint. And that is how I achieved the DIY, because the black I already did, like I said, for the for a DIY that I did. I think I'll link that video as well in the description box down below. And just with a small simple brush from Dollarama, I just added some gold brush strokes to it, and I think it looks really nice, really cute, and it complements my look here in the dining room for fall this year. So yeah, This is my fall dining room table, guys, for fall 2020. And I wanted to start off in my dining room because we don't really sit at the dining room table that much. Everyone usually eats in their space if they want to, or they eat on the island. So I went ahead and I said, you know what, let me put this together and share with you guys. So this is pretty much, I won't be changing anything for my fall tour. This is pretty much what you'll see, but I just wanted to just share with you how budget friendly this was to put together, reusing and repurposing some of the things I have, shopping my home, using whatever I had, spray painting a few things to add to it. And yeah, so like I said, don't throw out your pumpkins, don't throw out your floral arrangements, sort of like hold on to them, because you never know how you can use them and just put together a flower arrangement, or you can use some leaves and just create a really nice filler, a bowl filler for a centerpiece anywhere in your home. Well guys, I hope this video gave you guys some tips, tricks, and some ideas for fall this year, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love what I've done here in my dining room, just to refresh it a little bit. And to tell you the truth, guys, I'm really loving the gold mixed with the little bit of silver that I have. So I think I used to be a gold girl back in the days, and then I sort of like transitioned to silver, but I'm really loving the gold. It's really brought in some warmth into the space, and I love how everything turned out. Comment down below, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family. It could help them out for this fall season, and give them some tips for their own fall decorating this year. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. I love you for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and until the next time, I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.